Yo, 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 yo. All right, I'm gonna show y'all how to do ICT concepts with Nasdaq. So basically, you're only gonna trade at 6:30 in the morning if you want to do ICT. You could obviously, you know, do any other time, but it just works best at macro time, which means like um 6:30 in the morning, which is high volatility because that's when big industries and banks open up. So what you want to do first is you want to get some ICT kill zones toolkit. It's a basically an indicator. So hop into indicators, get ICT kill zones, and it's by Lux Algo. You see that right there? Just click that. You'll get the indicator right there. It's going to show you time frames from Asia, London, and New York AM, New York PM. And then I also like using smart money concepts, which is the change of character, break of structure, show you order blocks, fair value gaps at times, lows. But yeah, get those two indicators and you'll be set. Basically, that's all you need. So you want to mark out your highs from the morning that you wake up. Wake up 5 minutes before, or like whatever time you wake up. Get your raise out. Mark out highs from the Asia session and lows. So basically, that's the high from the Asia session, and then you're gonna mark out this low. But this low was already taken out, so you don't need to mark that out. You're gonna mark out London lows, and you're also gonna mark out London highs. That's your uh, drawn liquidity. So you're just trying to wait till one of these gets tapped before you even put a trade in. That's one of your big confluences when you're trading. Obviously, there's more, but um, I'll show you guys what you need for ICT concepts on Nasdaq. So, lick, sweep, uh, DOL. It's a drawn liquidity. That's one of the major confluences you need for ICT. Also, IFEGs is another one. I'll show you what that is in just a moment. Three, um, what's it called? A drawn liquidity. So where you want to target and your risk management. So your RR, and then hold up. Let me change the song. Music. Give me a sec, boys. There you go. All right, bet. So I have damn, that shit loud as fuck. All right, so basically I got my zones popped out. So this is gonna be my London high. So London high. Mark that out right there. You could put this center, middle. That's your London high. Asia high. Fuck. And then just, make sure you mark out your highs. These are strong draws on liquidity in the morning. It's key for reversals. And then London lows. Obviously, we don't have Asia lows because they already got taken out by London lows. Alright, so now that we got that all straight and set out, you want one of these major draws on liquidity to get hit. So we got market open. It's 6:30, 6:29 right now. Market opens at about 6:30ish, I think. Yeah, 6:30. I'm tripping. So let the market play out. We got a strong draw on liquidity on the bottom side, but we pushed up. Market always opens very volatile, so just keep that in mind. So nothing to go off yet. You feel me? um, Oh, also, prior to trading, you want to figure out some strong fair value gaps, order blocks. It already marked it out for me, the strong order block right here. That's why you probably got a reversal from that. Um, but you go into a higher time frame, and then you mark out key levels of or fair value gaps. Let's see. Right here, we got a strong fair value gap. We haven't broke yet. It only is valid until you break it for an IFEG. This is pre-market, so you don't want to do nothing in this area, but this is a zone that we have not broken yet. Uh, so let the trade ride out. This is the 5 minute time frame. Higher time frames are a good and stronger confluence for your trades when you're using 1 minute. So you got that fair value gap right there. Then you just let the trade ride out. Don't when you're fucking trading, you don't want to fucking put a trade in when there's no fucking how do you say, when there's nothing that you could go off of. So basically, these are the three things we're looking for. Where did they go? Where did my text go? Ah, fuck. My text. Oh, right here. What the fuck? So liquidity sweep, drawn liquidity, IFEG, drawn liquidity, and then you also would like a change in state of delivery. So that's four of the top things I use in ICT. It's very fucking simple, bro. Let me just put that back, my bad. Alright, so we're gonna let this ride out, and then we'll see if we have an entry for this day. Um, we'll see next draw, next minute, a little fucking bearish movement, another bullish movement. We have this zone right here, fair value gap. If this is broken, you obviously don't want to trade this because there's obviously these lows down here. For it's like a key reversal, so your risk to reward will be terrible if this really gets broken. So we're still respecting this top 5 minute fair value gap. So we're gonna let this ride out. It's really respecting that top 5 minute fair value gap. Still nothing. December's shitty as fuck. Then we got almost a wick out on the low, but we still don't have nothing. You need to have a wick out for sure before you enter a trade. Entering this fair value gap, we have nothing to go off still. Another bearish movement, another bullish movement, and then I'm gonna mark out this fair value gap right there. It's a 1 minute fair value gap right there. So this got broken. I wouldn't take this trade just because of it. It's a drawn liquidity right here. Right there. This is an inverted fair value gap. But I still wouldn't take this just because the risk to reward will be how many points? 91, 66 points. Like, you don't want to take that. Let me change the song real quick. Alright. So we have this fair value gap up here. We haven't broken this. I still want one of these sides to get swept before I even enter a trade. So, bam. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Bam. Nothing yet. None yet. This is like a barcode, bro. That's why you don't trade December. Nothing. Okay, we broke these lows, right? This is perfect right here. Now, we either look for continuation or reversal. My reversal is still for this fair value gap right here to be broken. Drawn liquidity for right here, even these highs up here. So, we'll see how we react off this. Bam, nothing yet. See, it's 15 minutes into it. We still got none, so be patient. Broke these lows with a full body candle wick, and then we push up. Okay, so this is key reversal right here. We're already pushing up. We'll see if we really stand on it. Let's see the next candle. Bearish movement. We don't have nothing. Bam, broke it. Okay, now once we broke this, just wait for the candlestick body to close. So once it turns the minute, like the minute that it closes and we start the next candle after this one right here, then that's when you want to put your trade in, because it could wick out from this fair value gap before you put a trade in, and then you'll be fucked. You feel me? But this is a strong drawn liquidity. I think this is a good displacement. Oh, I forgot to add that to my for my draws right here. Right here. You also need displacement. So basically what that means is something that like a bullish or bearish move